eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, the light shine through for you, 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 let the light shine through.
The periodic table has gone through many changes since Dmitry Mendeleev drew up its original design in 1869. The periodic table is important because the periodic table organizes elements according to similar properties, so you can tell the characteristics of an element just by looking at its location on the table. Before all naturally occurring elements were discovered, the periodic table was used to predict the chemical and physical properties of elements in the gaps on the table. Today, the table can be used to predict properties of elements yet to be discovered, although these new elements are all highly radioactive and break down into more familiar elements almost instantly. Now, the table is useful for modern students and scientists because it helps predict the types of chemical reactions that a particular element is likely to participate in. Rather than memorizing facts and figures for each element, students and scientists need only glance at the table to learn much about the reactivity of an element, whether it's likely to conduct electricity, whether it's hard or soft, and many other characteristics. Elements in the same column as one other are known as groups, and they share similar properties. For example, the elements in the first column, the alkaline metals, are all metals that usually carry a 1+ charge in reactions, react vigorously with water, and combine readily with non-metals. Elements in the same row as one other are known as periods, and they share the same highest unexcited electron energy level. Another useful feature of the periodic table is that most tables provide all the information you need to balance chemical reaction at a glance. The table tells each element's atomic number and usually its atomic weight. The typical charge of an element is indicated by its group. First, go and do your own periodic table like me. This can improve your memorizing, and you can always look at your periodic table to encourage yourself to memorize it. Second, when you do a periodic table, try to use different color to learn elements groups, like alkali group in red color, noble gas in purple color, and etc. Third, memorize by groups. Break down your periodic table into sections. Normally, we break down our periodic table into alkali metal group, alkali earth metals, noble gas, halogens, oxygen family, nitrogen family, carbon family, boron family, transition metal, and inner transition metal. Lastly, you can use my tips that I memorized for the first 20 elements, which is make nonsense words made from element symbols. Here is my nonsense words. Hehelive, BCNOF, Nename, Ausi Pesi, Klaka. Lastly, practice makes perfect.